This week you will be sorting your pieces with the AG Ag family and the AP App family. Let's check out our pieces. This is a flag and the word flag. This is pointing to the little boy's lap, and here's the word lap. This is a tag and the word tag. This is a cap and the word cap. This is pointing to the little dog's tail, and it is wag, wag. This one is nap. The little boy is taking a nap. This one is a rag. And last is a map. Now that we know the pieces, let's sort them where they belong. Flag has the ag sound at the end. App, I hear the app at the end. Ag, I hear the ag at the end. Ag, again I hear the ag sound. App has the app sound. Ag, I hear the ag sound. Cap, app in the app family. And last is map. App has the app. So in the ag family, we have flag, tag, wag, and rag. In the app family, we have nap, lap, cap, and map. Great job sorting today.